Hey my plain Janes, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a deep dark purple marble with some silver foil, and no, those are not toenails. That is just very short square nails. And we are going to be using this purple gel polish from MEFA and the light purple from that brand as well. I got that from Amazon, as well as the foil. And as you can see, they have like little barcodes on there and stuff, and numbers 409 and I think 117. And it came in this little box, 6 colors gel polish set. And again, that was from Amazon. It kind of looks like the Beatles box, so that's why I clicked on it. But after I saw the colors, I was like, okay, I could work with this. It's kind of cute. So that's what we're going to be using today. Of course, we have our detail brush, and again, like I said, our foil, our base coat from Beatles, and our top coat from McCart. And what's missing is there is a white gel polish that we're going to be adding later on from Beatles as well. And again, those are not toenails. Those are very short square nails. And as you can see, that is not a shot either. That is the alcohol that we're going to be using to clean up our nails. So without further ado, let's jump right into this buffing process. As you know, we're going to get off that shine. Yes, no shine over here. Get that shine off, and then we're going to go ahead with our nail buffer and smooth out those lines. And then we're going to add our primer for that durability. And then we're going to add our base coat. You grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, really gonna rise to the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. Step 1, wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, so after we applied this base coat, we're going to cure for 60 seconds. I actually cured this for 90. I am testing out this new UV lamp that I purchased on Amazon as well, because my own was giving me a little bit of issues. So I purchased this just to see, you know, the different type of temperature it's going to give me and how long it was going to take to dry or cure. And for 90 seconds, it did a great job as far as the base coat. My other one, it was like 60 seconds, but this one was 90 seconds for my base coat. And then for just a regular gel polish, it was 60 seconds, but it's a pretty good brand. I may leave the link in the description box below. So you guys, if you guys are interested, I got that from Amazon. Again, they are not sponsoring me, y'all, but if you're looking for a really good UV lamp, this lamp is a really good lamp to use for your gel polishes. And as you can see, we are going in with that beautiful deep jelly purple. If if I knew it was going to be like this beautiful, I probably would have just left it, did 2 coats of this and called it a day. Like, this purple is lovely, lovely, lovely. I love it. And then we're going to cure that for 60 seconds and go back in with another coat of this. But before we cure that, we're going to add our colors to start marbling these nails. And you're gonna see I'm gonna take my detail brush in a minute and lightly tap some light purple and some white, and I'm going to be swishing like little S's, swishing it around to make that marble look. And again, as I've stated in other videos, there are different ways and different methods to create this look, especially the marble technique. You can do the technique I'm using, dropping the dots on the second coat, or you can swirl it on a palette and then just take your brush and just apply. There's so many ways you can do it. You can use a plastic baggie. Like, I've looked it up and I've seen like there's just a lot of ways, and no way is wrong. It's all about your preferred method and what works for you. I find that doing it this way works for me. Have I tried the other ways? Yes, I have, but I just prefer this method. I prefer this way. And I feel like it gives me a lot more control of how much color I want as far as dotting the color onto the nail. And again, I'm going to be swishing it, making little S's there. And I'm going to go into the purple with the color, and taking the color and going onto the purple. If that makes sense. It probably doesn't. But if you see how I'm using my brush, I'm going into the color, and then I am, going into the dark purple, and I'm going into the lighter colors, and I'm going to go into the lighter colors and go into the dark purple. And then I'm wiping off the excess gel polish just so it won't be murky or get a little bit soupy as far as the design I want. And again, you can swirl as much as you like to your heart's desire till you get the look that you want. I am swirling to make not so much marbling, but I still want to see the deep purple as well. So covering the purple, but not really making lines in every direction, just so you can get that look. I know if you go overboard, it just starts to blend. Like, you know how you do makeup in your eyelid and you just blend all the colors in? It will do that. So you don't want to go overboard with swishing the colors around, because it will start to look like probably a whole different purple on there, and just cover the whole nail up, and you don't want that to happen. So again, this is just my technique that I prefer. Maybe you'll like it. Maybe you'll try the other techniques that are on YouTube. But yeah, this is the one that I just like doing.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
Now I'm just breaking up that foil on top of the polish, And before I did that, I had applied a thin layer of top coat so that it can adhere to the press-on nail. And again, just breaking up into little tiny pieces of that foil just so it can disperse in the little corners, just to add a little accent.
Lots of poison they ride, head full of flies, so here come the clouds, they'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost, yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. Step 1, wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education.
So now I'm just applying that top coat over it to give it that extra shine and to encapsulate everything. And this is the final look, guys. Look how pretty and shiny. It's giving me late 80s, early 90s vibes, which I am not mad at all. I am a 90s baby, so yes, I love how this turned out, especially the marbling and the little silver to add a little zhuzh to it. And let me know what you guys think of this look. I think it turned out really cute. Should I do this for a giveaway? Let me know in the comments below. If you are a winner, would you like me to recreate this look? Let me know. And thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell for more videos as well. Don't forget to click that button so you know when these videos are dropping like it's hot. And also a like and share if you are interested. Again, we are doing a giveaway for the month of July, and I will be announcing a winner every Friday. So make sure you guys are subscribed, follow those steps so you have a chance to win one of these sets. For, you know, who knows, you can win one of these. Make one of these nails for you. You never know. Anyway, again, thank you so much for watching, guys. You guys stay safe, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.